A metropolis at a standstill. People after a long day's work trapped in traffic gridlock. Weary commuters walking home in knee-deep floods in the middle of the night and into the break of dawn. Thousands of sleepy pedestrians waiting for hours, hopelessly for a ride. This was Metro Manila Tuesday night. Torrential rains poured from around 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., triggering metro-wide floods. Data from the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority showed water on EDSA Santolan northbound rose to 19 inches, about knee-high, within 20 minutes. Maisilo Circle in Barangay Plainview in Mandaluyong and Pasay Road, Arnaiz, were waist-deep in floods.
We're at the Osmeña Buendia intersection, one of the many flood points that left the city paralyzed for hours last night, leaving cars stranded. People had no other choice but to walk to their destinations, and some others were even stranded at their workplaces.
Dahil po malaki po ang baha, hindi po kami nakauwi kasi traffic din, tapos ang lalim ng tubig hanggang hita po. Tapos kami rin, dyan na lang kami tulog. Dito po sa may building.
Galing akong Fairview, kasi SM Fairview. Tapos, ang inuuwian ko Bambang. Ang travel time ko is 7 hours. 7 p.m. dapat dito na ako. Pero nakarating ako dito ng 3 a.m. Umalis ako doon mga 7 p.m. na.
Volume na rin po ng sasakyan, tsaka sa traffic po talaga. Sa taas ng tubig ko, ma'am. Yung mga maliliit na sasakyan, no, hindi na po gumagalaw.
At the Magallanes underpass, same situation. Waist-deep water had cars crawling on EDSA, forcing people to walk along the bus lane. Vendors were stranded inside their booths.
Malakas yung ulan, tapos malalim, tapos ito tubig, umabot dito na. Nakaupo na lang ako sa ibabaw.
So, na-stuck kayo dito sa loob?
Dito lang po ako, hindi ako umalis.
So, nakatulog lang kayo dito?
Hindi ako natutulog, ma'am.
Yung kalsada po na to talaga, bahayin po ito dahil medyo mababa po yung lupa rito. Kaya talagang isang buhos lang ng malakas na ulan, yung ilalim ng tunnel na yan, talagang bumabaha po yan, halos mag-i-stranded po lahat ng sasakyan. Kahit doon po sa paikot, stranded din po yan. So, hindi na po makakaano yung mga sasakyan po dahil wala na hong talaga dyan, baha rin po dyan.
Grabe talaga, hindi ko na masabi kung anong nangyayari dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi nila maano yung problema ng traffic.
The monstrous traffic jam happened just as members of the Highway Patrol Group began manning traffic on EDSA, and Metro Manila commuters and pedestrians thought there would be some relief for them. Perhaps Tuesday's gridlock is a wake-up call for decision makers to stop applying band-aid solutions to a festering problem that needs a real solution. Isabella Montano, CNN Philippines.